Hello, I am Harish Kanapur and you are watching On Point. Before getting started, I have given the link below of the draft copy. Please do download that. It is a full textbook of your CAMD. In this video, we are going to model the screw, start, mechanical design, part design. Okay, let's go to position and sketch, front plane, click OK. Let's select the center point. Let's draw that profile. Okay, it looks like that. So let's constrain it. It is ISO constraint. Edit multi constraint. (24/2) because we are doing only half of the model, not full. Let's give it axis. It's showing ISO constraint. Let's give it axis. Exit. Shaft. Okay. Now some slot is there, so we have to make that same thing. Center plane, position sketch, fit to screen. Let's draw that square or quadrilateral. We can say that it is quadrilateral, not square. Let's make both symmetry with respect to z axis. Let's make top edges coincide. Okay, let's constrain now. I have not selected the option, so constraint. Let's give a value. Oh, now go to the pocket option, mirror extent. Okay, front. Yes, it is exactly done as we wanted. So we are not able to see we have to do the threading, so threading option will be hidden. We have to bring that thread, select the surface. Let's select the limiting surface. Let's give the thread diameter is 12 mm. Maybe. Okay, so once again we can't see the threading of done on the thing. So let's color our body or screw. Make sure that you won't give let's save this screw, as we have already saved a screw, spindle as screw. So let's make some spelling mistakes, later we can differentiate.